Welcome. Want to activate your Microsoft Office without command prompt? Let's do it with just a few clicks. Make sure your Office application is closed. Start by opening File Explorer. You can press Windows plus E or click on File Explorer in the taskbar. Now, let's go to the Office directory. Go to your Drive C. Program Files. Then to Microsoft Office. Lastly, Office 16. Once you're in the right folder, look for a file named ospprearm.exe. Right-click and run as administrator. Do this 3 times. Each time you do this, it will extend your grace period for using Office. Now let's go back and open Microsoft 2 if it worked. Voila! Your Office activation is successful. Remember, you can only use this command a limited number of times, so make sure to keep track. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tips.